Hi folks, this is Birka from Sweden. Today I got a box from goldsilver.be in Belgium, and it is an accumulation over 3 months. So let's see what we have here.
Chips.
Of course.
The popcorn.
Okay. Down on the floor. If you hear some strange sounds from our feet, you know what it is. Okay, I will put the box down. All right. Yeah. It's a kookaburra, 1 ounce, from the World Money Fair. Colored coin. Right, I'll put it there.
Big one.
Yeah, it's a Queen's Beast, the Red Dragon, the newest 10 ounce coin. Yeah, it's lovely. Very nice.
Very well packed.
Yeah.
All that for that. Okay, so we got 2 here.
Yeah, I don't pick this up. Everybody knows about this. It's upside down, I think.
Okay. Yeah, it looks.
It doesn't matter. I bought just one because I wanted to see if they were nice. I think they
nice.
are. I take 14 next time.
14. Oh.
It's a 2-person job, it is. Yeah.
You said it was an accumulated shipping this time. What do you mean by that?
I have, for 3 months, I have stored coins and yeah, PM at gold silver.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have for about 8 occasions I have ordered.
And they've stored it for you down there.
Yes,
Why did you do that?
because I'm saving the shipping cost.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oi, 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 oi.
Now it's
You have.
looking something.
Oi, there's something stuck there.
Okay.
My goodness.
Well, this is capsules for different coins.
Precious capsules.
Yeah. Then I have this coin is for a friend at the forum.
Okay. Pretty. Is that 1 ounce? 5 ounces? Or
The
what?
5 ounce Libertad, Mexico. And then I have a lot of these.
What are they?
It's one sovereign.
Sovereign.
It's 10 sovereigns, I think. All together.
Are they gold?
Yeah, 22 carats gold.
Looking good.
Yeah. And I have some miscellaneous coins here. I have ordered them for my grandchildren. And I have also two ounce Libertad. Those are my first. Very nice coin. And here I got one, the Swan, a new one. It's a lot of job.
Many grandchildren.
Yeah, I think I do like this. I can show you this one.
This is a sweet thing to save instead of, like in my days, that we got silver spoons.
Or plastic toys.
Yeah. This is much better.
Yeah, that's a nice coin. It's the paradise bird.
Australian bird of paradise. Yeah.
Right here.
Lots of the same thing, seems.
Yeah, it's a tube.
Okay. I thought it would be a round tube.
No. Don't know what to do, but it's 5 ounce Libertads.
Like the woman over there.
Yeah, the same as that coin there.
And they're upside down. You're not at the end of it yet. There's another capsule.
No, can't open it. Not without yes, I can here. They are very well. Oh, it's okay. It's in a tube of Queen's Beast Bull. It's the latest coin from them. And it's a tube of 10 coins. There you can see the thickness.
It's upside down.
This one is sealed. So I don't want to open it.
No.
There you see.
What is it? What's in it?
It is the new coin called Next Generation.
Okay.
And it's a 2-ounce coin, and there will come different motifs on the coins in the future. But it will be iconic Australian motifs. So it will be very fun to see. Kangaroos maybe, and
All of them, or?
snakes. No, I don't know. It's all of them. So,
Was that it?
yeah.
Ooh. Lots and lots and lots of precious metals.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah. I wish it was all in gold.
Maybe next time.
Yeah. Okay, folks. Thank you for today. Have a good life, and see you next time. Bye bye.